Okay guys, I've provided the course exercise files that we're going to be using in the course, and it's in the course file that's in the course list. Okay, so I've already refactored it, and when I say refactored is I've divided it in such a way that it will be easy for us to code with the application. I'm going to show you what I mean by that really quick. Okay, so I'll head over to my directory and I've already extracted it. So it's in a zip folder, so you just need to extract it. And I have a strong belief that you're not new to PHP, so you should have your local server running and you should know how to set that up. Okay, so I'm not going to do that in this course. So head over to my XAMPP htdocs, and I'm having it here, newspaper. Okay, so all I need to do is to drag, actually I'll just click on it, drag and open it up in my code editor. Okay, so that's going to open up, and you can see if I click on the index.php, it's going to open up. Okay, so and now you're seeing what we're having right here. Okay, so we're having all this as an inclusion. Okay, so we have the, for everything is routing from the pages. Okay, so from the pages we're including the header, the navbar, the hero. All this stuff is for us to be able to code easily. Okay, so what if we want to work on the navbar? We can just come over to pages, and where's navbar? Okay, so we can just click on the navbar and change what we want to change, instead of, like, having everything in the index page. Okay, so I'm going to show you how what we're having so far in the browser. So I'm going to head over to my Chrome browser, and I'm going to type in localhost / newspaper. Okay, and our newspaper site is up and running. So you're going to see what we have right now. Load, and okay, so it has loaded, and the CSS files are large, so that's why it took time to load. But don't worry about that, we're gonna get rid of some stuff that we're not using. Okay, so this is our website, the newspaper, that's the name of the website, so where we share news. Okay, so right now this is just I don't want to use that word, but let me just use it. So it's just rubbish and nonsense right now, but we're going to be converting it to a full functional newspaper website. Okay, so you can see all these nice stuffs right here, but we're going to convert it to a nice functional website, and everything that we are doing right here, we're not going to be controlling anything from here. All is going to be controlled by the administrator. Okay, so I'm going to head over there, and we see we have this nice administration panel where we're going to be controlling everything, all the news activity. Okay, so this is like the let's say this is the news station. Okay, we're gonna work on it right now. It's just, having some dummy data there. We're gonna also work on this. This is where we're gonna start working from. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So in the next lecture, we're going to be connecting to the database and fixing all the configurations that we have to have. Then we should start working with the course. Okay, so I'll see you then.